fitting the shoes and inserts. Start by having the patient stand on the insert with heel properly seated into the heel cup. Ensure there is at least a half an inch between the longest toe and the end of the insert, usually about a thumbnail's length. If it's longer or shorter than half inch, you may have to adjust the size. Next, place the insert into the shoe and with your hand check to make sure the insert fits properly. With the patient sitting, place the shoe on the patient. Ask the patient to tap their heel to the floor several times. With the patient's heel on the ground and toe up, as close to 90 degrees as possible, lace or Velcro the shoe to lock the patient's foot into position. Have the patient stand and check for adequate fit at the counter of the shoe and a good fit under the malleus area. Pull or pinch the vamp of the shoe to see if there is adequate room across the midfoot. If it's extremely taut, you may have to adjust the size. Next, locate the end of the longest toe and ensure that there is about a half an inch to the end of the shoe, again about a thumbnail's length. If there appears to be too little or too much space, please refer to the fit checklist and follow the instructions. SureFit is staffed with certified podorthists to assist with any fitting issues. Please call 800-298-6050 and select Prompt 2.